Something a bit different today, items that don't beep, buzz or need charging. Pen and paper, and why even in a digital world I still carry at least one notebook every single day. I've recently upgraded my setup to the Lochby Pocket Journal and their pocket-sized notebooks. But this video isn't about nostalgia or going backwards. This is about thinking clearly and carrying tools that actually support your day. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you're into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. I use my phone constantly, probably way too much. News, reminders, calendars, running this channel, my other channel, our pub business, and plenty of admin. It's always there. But when it comes to ideas, reflections, lists, or properly working something through, writing things down still wins. No notifications, no battery anxiety, and no temptation to scroll. And in some of my paramedic work environments, phones simply aren't permitted anyway, which forces you back into the analog world, whether you like it or not. When I write something down, I slow down, and slowing down helps me remember, process, and think properly. For me, a notebook isn't old-fashioned, it's intentional EDC. And honestly, I was into pens and stationery long before I even knew what EDC was. That's a whole future video, currently being planned out in a notebook, obviously. Lochby was founded in 2019 by Chris Elfering, a former US Army serviceman, inspired by his time in the military and later adventures as a digital nomad. His aim was simple: create products that inspire creativity while also helping people stay organised. Judging by how popular these are across journaling, stationery and EDC channels, he seems to have hit the mark. And this is my entry point into that ecosystem, the Lochby Pocket Journal. This is a compact zip-around journal made from waxed canvas, so it feels very tough, weather resistant and very much in the EDC lane. It measures 15.2 by 9.4 by 1.3 centimetres, weighs just 68 grams and is designed to carry one or two pocket-sized notebooks. By pocket size, we're talking 3.5 by 5.5 inches, basically field note size, slightly smaller than A6. And yes, I'm mixing metric and imperial. Welcome to EDC YouTube. What I really like is that this isn't just a notebook cover. It's a small organisation system made secure with a YKK zipper and paracord pull. And if you run two notebooks, one on each side, something clever happens. The wallet sections on the left side sit behind the notebook, meaning cards or notes are hidden from view, but still easily accessible. I don't know if that was intentional, but if it was, it's a genuinely understated bit of design. Nothing flashy, just useful. This journal also helps keep additional items secure. Receipts, tickets, folded notes, even a passport if you're travelling. Everything stays zipped up and contained. It's one of those items that quietly earns its place in your pocket or bag because it does multiple jobs without shouting about it. Now, let's talk about the notebooks, because this matters. These use Tomoe River paper, 68 GSM, famous for being thin, smooth and incredibly pen friendly. If you use fountain pens, fine liners or decent gel pens, you'll notice the difference immediately. Ink behaves well, the writing feels smooth and the pages stay lightweight without feeling flimsy. They feel genuinely lovely to use. This is paper chosen by people who actually write. There is an external slip pocket and an external pen holder on the front, with a larger slip pocket on the back. But here's my one bit of genuine feedback. I'd love to see an internal pen holder built into the pocket journal itself. Carrying a pen externally adds a bit of unnecessary bulk in my opinion, especially for pocket carry. I always carry a pen with it, usually a stainless Parker Jotter, but I've also become a fan of these smaller Olight mini pens recently. But a dedicated internal loop would make this feel like a truly self-contained EDC item. Not a deal breaker, just a refinement I would personally welcome. When I bought this in late 2025, the Sidekick came included as part of a special offer, and it's a really nice addition. This is more of a notebook wallet hybrid designed in collaboration with EDC channel Max Level EDC. It's smaller, slimmer, and aimed at people who want to carry less. It holds an A7 size notebook, cards, cash, and a pen all in one place. If you don't want a full journal but still want analog capture in your everyday carry, this makes a lot of sense. Think of it as minimum notebook EDC, though these A7 notebooks can look a little lost, I think, in the larger wallet. Again, not a deal breaker, small is good for a really minimal carry. I'm genuinely pleased with these items. They've slotted into my daily carry easily and feel like a great introduction to the Lochby ecosystem. This isn't stationery for a shelf. It's designed to be used, worn and carried. And that matters. A quick admin note, particularly for those in the UK. I bought mine direct from Lochby in the US. Taxes and shipping were added to the list price. Delivery took about 10 days over Christmas and New Year, which at the time of year I thought was quite reasonable. Amazon also ships these from the US and this is reflected in their price. But I found a UK distributor right here, what looks like a small independent writing and stationery shop in Shrewsbury, and I'll leave a non-affiliate link below. So yes, we live in a digital world, but some tools still work better when they're simple, physical and intentional. For me, carrying a notebook isn't about rejecting technology. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. You can use both. But do you carry a notebook or journal in your EDC? Are you a Lochby user? Field Notes? Moleskine? What's your current setup? Do let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, a like really helps and a subscribe would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry, carries you.